Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Stay tuned for just a small Stampin' Up haul. Hey y'all, welcome back. And I have just a really small Stampin' Up haul I was going to share with you. Wouldn't even call it a haul, just more like a share. But I got a few things I was going to share with you that I've got actually today in the mail. So the first thing, and that's why I was doing it, just actually looking at you this time. My camera was already set up like this for a meeting, and we had our group meeting, so I just went ahead and left the camera set up like this. So anyway, though, if you would please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and if you're not a subscriber, also if you'd please subscribe and click the notification bell. So yeah, and the first thing I've got is this delivering cheer. And this has been kind of a popular stamp. I've seen quite a few demonstrators, and I think we're going to be doing this actually in a class coming up. And so if you want to get this, I believe this is going to be open to anybody in our class. I have to double check, but yeah, I think she's got it open to anybody. I'll double check with her on that. And I do know that the Pretty Pumpkins is open at the end of the month, that if you get this bundle, you can be in our class for that. So if you get that, and you want to order that through me, let me know, because you can be in our class for that. So, but I think this one is too, and I can't remember. I think that's I can't remember. I'll find out though. But if you're interested, let me know. But yeah, I got that, and it's really cute. You can do so much with this because it's got the two different bottom halves of the lady. And then you see it's got the upper halves. It's got like the gifts, the tree, and then I guess it's flowers. And then it says, sending love and Christmas cheer, warming thoughts to you, the season to and from. So you can make like Christmas tags. I was even thinking you could make, with the packages, you could probably even make a birthday tag with it. And let's see, you might even do something else with it. Just kind of let your imagination. Well, think of the flowers. I mean, it's supposed to be more for fall flowers, but I bet if you put more color in it, you could probably think of that as maybe Valentine's, you know? So put it with the dress maybe and do it with Valentine's. Who knows what you come up with. So, but yeah, I like that. Then, of course, I'm always trying to collect on more blocks. So I just got a little B block, and because I haven't gotten any in a while. And then I'm running out of Stampin' Seal doing all these cards, so I've got a Stampin' Seal. So that is everything. Like I said, it was just a small one, but I wanted to share what I had. So that was all. I'm sure there's going to be more coming here soon. But yeah, I do have some more things that I'll be sharing with you. and some more cards and things. So I hope y'all enjoy this, and I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you again soon in the next one. Have a blessed day.